Hi friends, Mr. Kevin here from the Children's Museum of the Lowcountry in Charleston, South Carolina. I'm going to show you another one of our brown bag STEM challenges. Now if you were doing this challenge at the museum, you would get a bag of supplies just like this, and you would have to defeat a engineering challenge. So you have to build something that meets the criteria to defeat the challenge. Now today's challenge is to make a musical instrument. So you have to make something that can make different sounds that are pleasant to your ears. So you're going to have to find some materials around your house if you're doing this at home. You might want to check for old craft supplies like craft sticks and pipe cleaners, that sort of thing. Maybe office supplies like paper clips or paper. And you might want to check your recycled materials too, like cardboard tubes, cereal boxes, that kind of thing. Make sure you check with your grown-up to see if your items are appropriate to be used. Once you gather some supplies, think about what you want your instrument to be. Think about instruments that you've seen before or heard before. You could make an instrument that you pluck, like a guitar, or strum, like violins and guitars, cello, all different string instruments. You could use yarn or string or rubber bands. They're nice and stretchy. Whatever you have. You can make an instrument that you shake, like a maraca, with lots of little pieces inside. This is just a bag of paper clips with some boxes. You can make an instrument that you tap, or beat. Like a drum. You can make an instrument that you play with your mouth. It's up to you. Like a trumpet. You decide. Once you have a design that you like, share it with us. You can tag us on Instagram at ExploreCML or on our Facebook at ExploreCML, or you can use the hashtag CHSPlays. Can't wait to see your instruments.